Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel and in this video we are going to solve 8 cube divided by 8 square bracket 4 plus 4 is equals to what? 1864. So let's start with the today's video solution. So I'm going to use board mass rule to simplify this where B is bracket, O means of, D means division, M means multiplication, A means addition, and S means subtraction. So I have to give preference according to that. So first I am going to solve the bracket. So 8 cube divided by 8 square, 4 plus 4. So 8 cube divided by 8 square times 4 plus 4 is 8. So 8 cube, we can write it as 8 times 8 times 8 divided by 8 square, 8 times 8 and times 8. So we can cancel out these 8 with 8. So what is left? 8 times 8, which is equals to 64. So our final answer is option number C, that is 64. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So please give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned.